Okay, let me introduce myself first. Okay, I am Srikanth Satpathy, and I am a software developer. I am in this field in last 3 years, and my the gaming development is not cup of tea, but I am normally developing web and app. But last some month, I am showing some interest on Python and OpenCV, and I am just thinking about to make some game that's really interesting for using OpenCV. So that's why I am just li- small game, you can say that, but it's engaging and interesting. Okay, so first of all, okay, you can see that my topic is revolutionizing game with computer vision, right? How can we get some revolution in gaming area using computer vision AI? So yes, let's start. And this is our overview. Okay, this is the introduction. Then second one is technology, what we are using, and library, and some key code that will that okay so that help us to repair, develop the game. Okay, so what is OpenCV and how we can use OpenCV in traditional game to make that more engaging and interesting. Then yes, we display some videos of my game, or I can demo it live. Then feature enhancement and possibility, what we can add in game that make it more interesting. Then some question and answer session. Then it's wrap it up. Okay, so yeah, going for the introduction. Then what is my game is? Okay, so basically I'm developing a game. Okay, a snake game. So when we think a snake game, so typically in our mind, we visualizing some, yeah, what, first Nokia phone, all right, in where we everyone play the snake game firstly. So in this game, what, a snake, a line that's moving around, we can control that with our mobile phone keyboard, keyboard that's up, down, left, right. Okay, and what the in that game, basically what happened? They have some food that have to eat the snake. Then it's increase our score, and at the simultaneously increase the length of the snake. And if that snake collide with their own body, or they can eat something else, the game is over. Okay, that is a simple thing. But what we can make interesting using OpenCV. Okay, so the first point is inspired by the classic snake game, but control using AI OpenCV. So first of all, we don't need any keyboard, joystick, or whatever to control our game, right? We just need a webcam, and we can control it with our hand gesture. So uses hand tracking to control snake movement with finger gesture. Yes, as well I can say that we don't need any hardware required, no need any keyboard, no need any joystick for it. We can control with our just with our hand gesture. Okay. So okay, in my game, I am just using some different foods to eat them. That's make the what they can make increase the score. In different game have different point. Yeah, and I have added a food like bomb. That's if it's like eat that, then game is over. Okay, so overall the game is that. So yep. Then in the next slide, okay, how OpenCV is used. How I am use OpenCV in my game. Okay, OpenCV the finger movements in real time. First, the major part of the OpenCV is, right. They track our finger movement. Okay, they track our finger. How can we move that? Where we can move that? That's exactly snake recognize our hand gesture. Then they move towards it. then dictate dictate hand landmarks and exact index finger position. Okay, so finger. Okay, we have five fingers already. So we have to dictate the only one finger. That is in my code. I am dictate the what index finger, so we can control it smoothly. Index finger. Okay, then use hand movement to update the snake direction and provide a hand-free interactive game experience. So we don't need any hardware for it. So, and next is why this matter. Okay, why? Okay, first of all, when we use OpenCV, so first of all we can reduce our cost. Like we not need any keyboard, joystick. That first of all they reduce our cost. Okay, then hand-free interacting gaming experience, or don't need to hold something for long time to play the game. Okay, use AI for real-time gesture recognition. So using AI, we can when we track the gesture using some AI, so it's really feel futuristic. Like there have no interaction with you and webcam and nothing, but you can track them, you can control them. That's make it a feeling just amazing. So require minimal hardware. Just already I will discuss. Just a webcam is enough. Enhance the accessibility and engagement. Yes, obviously it's really more fun for children who can interact with them just moving their hands. So it's really more engaging other than holding some uh, keyboard and joystick. So okay, technology and library use. For technology and library, I am using this. So first of all, is obviously OpenCV. Okay, OpenCV, as you know, OpenCV is a open source computer vision library. It is a library. It is a powerful source open source library designed for real-time computer vision and image processing. The uh, main part of the OpenCV is right. They process the video and image very smoothly. They can recognize it, and it's very lightweight for it. So it's provide tool for object detection, face recognition, motion tracking, and more with the support for multiple programming language like Python and C++. Okay, then OpenCV itself they provide various type of what gesture like motion tracking, then what face detection. For me, I am using motion tracking for that's track my finger gesture and movement. So, I am using that. So and yes, it's very flexible for is very flexible for any programming language that we can implement it. For me, I am using it Python. Yes, my project in Python with OpenCV. So OpenCV widely used in AI, robotic and interactive application. It's effectively and easy of the integration make it go to choice for develop working on vision based project. Yes, we can go for the OpenCV for the OpenCV for what make it engaging in anything and interactive application we can simply use in our various we can use it in our web application also mobile application also, so it's very useful. And Python, yes, everyone is known about Python, how it's versatile is, how it's familiar with now of programmers, and its programming language very simple, and we can integrate it everything in this with seamlessly we can integrate it OpenCV make it ideal for computer vision text and like object detection, motion tracking, and image processing. Python is a good choice for it. And other library like okay in my project, okay, I am using some other library like in NumPy, Pygame, cvzone. So NumPy is efficiently processed our array that we can track the value score of the what game. And Pygame library normally I am using for the sound effect of make it interactively. cvzone, okay, cvzone is a can simplify function of OpenCV. That's using that we can interact the game. And random and math, yes, we need the math function and kind of mechanism for build our game logic. So okay, key code snippets. Okay, I can share some key code of my like this one hand gesture. So in cvzone we can I can say hand tracking module I am using for tracking the hand detects hand and detect hand detector. This code is the detection code max hand one. That's we can if I in the during game if I detect two hand, then they can't recognize. They only accept the one hand for make better control. So yeah, yes, there about some little bit code like hand image detect find hand image file type landmarks. So basically, this code is for what hand tracking. This is the main role of this code is they can track our hand gesture. Okay. Yes. So next is snake movement. Yes, this is also a major code snippet from my game. So what they use this previous xy coordinate and a math random function. This they define the length of the game, how snake is move and how it's going to in which coordinate xy coordinate. Okay, so they can and also they increase the length when they successfully eat some food like this. So this is also a key code snippet of my game. So okay, open in traditional game. So OpenCV in traditional game. First of all, I we have basically many of the traditional game then we can use and we can play in our childhood. Like snake game is the most matlab common game, and one of what food ninja, that also a common game we can play. So how can we use OpenCV in our traditional game to make it more interactively, more engaging? So we can track like in the OpenCV track we can use face tracking. That game can react based on face expression, object detection, AR-based game using real-world objection, motion control character using full body movement, gesture-based UI enhance your interactive in classic game. So basically in OpenCV, there are various of library already they made. We can use it in our game very easily. So in my game, what there the logic nothing is new. They already know what is snake game is and what is. So I just replace the hardware thing to in OpenCV and control the then introduce the hand gesture on my game. Then that make really engaging and fun. So like this we can what no need to complex our game, just need to enhance the game. So we can easily in today's generation say children and child are easily attracted to them. Now generation children are not interested in anymore playing that they forgetting the traditional games. They only now using PS4 PS5 games. So the feel of the traditional games is going down. So we can revive them using our some latest technology like OpenCV. We can use them for make it revive again and make it trend. So yes. So video showcase. Yes, I have some video. Uh, is it visible? Uh,
Apple, guava, orange, apple,
so this is the what in this figure sorry in this video you can see that they first detecting my hand. Okay, in this hand they only detect my index finger, so they can move according to my index finger. The snake movement is dependent on my index finger where I can movement it. So yeah, yeah, this is each, and
chili pepper,
yeah. So uh, this line is increasing. The snacking line is increasing by eating the food. When we I can add the different type of score point in different food. Like for eating apple, they increase 2 points. For eating strawberry, they increase 5 points. And yeah, there are chili peppers when they eat, it's reduce the point. So we can we can make it um, more interesting, just rethinking just out of box. And obviously the children are attracted of it. So yes, there we need to improve. I need to improve in UI section. This is just initial stage of my game. Okay, so we need to working with UI section. This line, not snake, is not looking like snake. Okay, I know that. It's just a line. So we can improve it by designing them that look like snake. We can adjust the snake color or so. I can add the level for it. When some score is like 100 is pass away, then they unlock some snake skin. So it's make larger, right? So it is just a initial period. So just um, ignore the UI section.
apple, shroom,
So like this. Yep, when they eat the bomb, then it's game over. So your score is, again, UI is not perfect, but I can work on it. So this is the what, like demo section. So I can make the demonstrator live also. Can I?
You can try.
Okay, let me try. Um,
But in any way, great start. And I wish you to continue because computer vision has future. So,
yes.
so continue work on this project. Don't stop. It's really impressive.
Thank
And
you.
everyone who study machine learning or of course interested in because it's part of any course computer vision, and thanks to your presentation we can better understand how it's work. And today even was small presentation of popular Python libraries, so we can understand that we can use these libraries for computer vision also.
Yes. I think my screen is visible, right?
Yes, visible.
Uh,
Your screen is visible, so we can see your Visual Studio Code.
yes. So before going through the live, I can just check. मतलब give you the code. Some like this is some over 341 lines of code. Okay. Okay. I not divide it in separate file currently. Just in one file. I keep it, and I add some. This is the what my food images, what I am using it, and this is the sound library. That's uh, when a food is which food is eating the snake, the corresponding sound are
So
good.
from this
Okay.
asset folder, you replace visual and sounds on screen. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So okay, let me open this first.
mushroom,
Okay, sorry. Uh, so when the now it's clear. This is just a what, nothing is rendered in this webcam. No pause, no score. Just it is a webcam. Okay. That's when I guess that it start. Okay. When my friend, they first detect the, now I am uh, Now I am showing two hands, right? But they dictate only one. So no one can do this. It's better to control it just because of I am using that one hand. Okay. So food is randomly changed after 3 seconds. Okay. They randomly change it. Or what this is an index finger what I am saying. I'm okay. Now it's more visible, like they're not detecting any.
Mushroom.
Okay, I think they made it. It's now you see they only detect the index finger, right? Or detecting. So this is also a one major functionality you can say that, like like we can more control for this. So like when I eat
Guava.
them, the sound,
Orange. Orange.
Apple.
it's little
Guava.
bit fluctuate and not smooth. I can work on it.
Orange. Orange.
So you can pause it like this. Now I am free, right? It's pause. Until I resume it, the game is pause. So you can rest it. Okay, you can rest your arms and finger. Then again resume it. Sorry. Yeah.
Guava.
And when you hit the bomb, game is over. So this is the lifetime of our game. Mm, I hope.
Amazing and expressive. It's so interesting presentation of computer vision and of course for Python
Apple.
libraries.
Yes. Thank you. So let's go to the again PPT, and the next part is what feature enhancement. What we can use, what we can enhance in game in future space. So yes, this is currently in single player game. We can upgrade it with multiplayer game, so that we can divide the screen in two parts. There where one person is playing, then second person is playing. So make the competition with each other. The score level is that, and currently I am not store any score and highest score, best highest score. So we can improve that section also. Multiple player game. Okay, each player control their own snake using hand movement that store their high score, the competition with each other. So we can enhance that in future also. And next, gesture based control. Yes, this is also I am currently what I am just one gesture introduced in my game, like just index finger, track the index finger. Okay, that one. So we can implement other like face to pitch to pause and wave to restart. For currently, for pause the game there have a button, you can move the button to pause the game. But we can introduce like gesture when they playing game, and then face the moment they track the way they see that the face he detect, then game is paused. When they open the page, then play is game is resume. Like this we can add more gesture like that in future. And we also allow the custom gesture enhancement, like you can add pass the gesture when you play the multi introduce the multi user game. Then you can pass the like thumbs up, thumbs up, dislike. So we can add that for make it more engaging. And yeah, dynamic default adjuster of the game can increase the speed as the score increase. Introduce the moving obstacle or sneak safe zone. Yep. So we can introduce some game increasing speed. Okay, we can add some logic like when they hit the score like 50 f70, the speed of the snake is increased automatically. We can introduce the level for that, level 1 level 2 like this. Introduce moving obstacle, we can randomly add some obstacle on the web. That's where we can to move the snake between them. If they hit with this obstacle, the game is over. So during this increase the level the obstacle which more complex like that, we can introduce that in our future. So this is the future enhancement. Mobile and web version. Yes, currently it's only on what GUI version, desktop version is this. We can plan for the its web version and app version. How can we implement that? For web, I think OpenCV they provide the library for that. I think npm library, JavaScript library, OpenCV provide that. So using that, we can make the web version also. And currently, I am working on that, so I can deploy the game easily. They can search the URL and playing that game. So let's see. I hope I made it quick, little bit quick. Okay. And yes, this is the question answer. So
So
it
yes,
was
we have two questions from Alexei and Elias. So Alexei wondering if you can share this game. But I think that maybe you can share your LinkedIn account and Alexei can contact you directly to discuss. And question from Elias. So, have you considered making your game into a filter on Snapchat or Instagram? Maybe in future.
okay. Okay. So yes, this this is the total overview of my game. Okay, now I know that there are a lot of things to work on this. The controls in control section, in UI section is just the initial period of the game. So if anyone interested, they can collab with me. Okay, and they need the they come with extra ideas and extra what kind of logic we can make that, so they can easily uh, collab with me. So this is the, yes, this is my git repository link. Okay, it's initially I did it private, so now it's a little bit stable version, so I make it public so anyone can go with him. They can collab with me. They can introduce their logic, apply their thinking, innovative idea to make it more better and stable. So yes, this is, and this is my LinkedIn profile. Anyone, uh, if you not collab with me, no worry, you can make your own version of game using OpenCV and whatever. Just tag me, mention me, so I can know that oh, this is also happened. And I am really feel happy when you tag me in your projects. So I can also inspire from that to make next game or next project initially when I can working on it. So please feel free to mention me in your post, in your upcoming ideas, in your upcoming games idea with OpenCV. Not OpenCV, you have any interesting idea for using other library, in using other else. Please feel free to mention me on that. So
It's true from my side. I can mention that you're really very open, and I saw your post on LinkedIn, and here was near 5,000 likes. Yes, so I contact you because I decided, oh my God, I want that you take part in our community, share your experience, and I wasn't ready that you answer me so quickly, and you immediately answer, yes, of course, I'm ready to take part. So
yes.
big thanks. You're really very open and supportive. Biggest thanks for your impact in grow up our community, and of course sharing your experience.
It's really a big thing for me when I got a message from you that tag is GDG and I am be like, yeah, what happened? It's really, matlab, it's really uh, true or what? It's really for me a big thing for me to represent my game, my skill in front of you guys, and it's Google. It's itself a big thing, and I am just in future what in last few days I am attend some session in our locality GDG build with AI in Bhubaneswar that happened.
Mm.
I am sitting as a audience and I listen them. They represent their thought and things what they are in bed and what they are doing. And now I am doing. I am as a speaker or I am not ready for it. I know that, but you give me chance and it's really meant for me to
You are very
represent.
talented, so I wish you continue in
Yes,
this area, continue with your computer vision, and I'm sure that we will see you in our community not one time, because I know that you have what to explain, what to tell, and what to share, because you have big experience in necessary area in machine learning in Python, Python famous libraries.
yes,
So yes, I'm sure that we will see you, and of course, I wish you that you continue uh, work on this project. It's good start, really good start, very impressive. Such quickly, few minutes, and you explain uh, how we can do this and
uh,
so that it's easy. And and of course, I'd like to mention that this session was recorded. I'll share it on our YouTube channel later and share this link, this post on LinkedIn with this link. So, what can I tell? That this brings us to the end of today's session. Thank you all for your participation, and of course, and the biggest thanks for your time this Saturday evening. In your country, it's night, and what once again, thank you for joining, and of
thank
course,
you.
we're looking forward to see you in our next sessions. And
Yes, yes,
until then, keep learning,
yes,
experimenting,
yes,
and of
sure, sure.
course, building with AI. See
Yes.
you. See you.
See
Take
you.
care.
Thank you so much, Anna, for this. Thank you.